Hi there, it's my build video for the Tamiya Fighter NXGEN. This is the DT-04 chassis. So came with the Hobby Wing ESC. I'll probably change that to a Dean's at a later date. It's got the torque turn motor as well in there as a hopper. So first stage. Gearbox. So we'll get prepped and crack on. So assembling the gearbox. So I'm using all races instead of the plastic bushings. So get a better run time and quicker response. So the diff's done. So just assembling section 3 now, and then to put the rest of the gearbox together. So just about to put the motor in. So this comes with the torque tuned motor. So I might put this in my hot shot at a later date, but for today it's going in the build. And then that should finish off the gearbox. Just built the rear shock tower to attach to the rear end. So that's stage 11. So I'm using a combination of an Aldi's ratchet screwdriver there and a GIS screwdriver. Next stage, if we can turn the page properly, is my least favourite building shocks. So rear end complete with shocks. Next stage now is building up the steering and the front end. So that's the electrics installed. I'm using a, focuses, an NG995. This one's from Temu, but it's the same as the Tower Pro ones. The 1060 ESC. So kept the Tamiya plug on it for the moment. The only part it doesn't show you in the instructions, it's obviously for an older ESC with the switch screws into the chassis, and this one's too small. So I'll leave that till last to see where the body sits. I might have to cut a bigger hole to stick it in there. And then receiver, we got the Fly Sky receiver there to go with my transmitter. So I've had this a few years now and it's worked okay. So next stage is to bolt on the rear end and the front end. So main chassis pretty much done. The body panels are all put on. Still got to find a place to put this switch. So before working on the driver's head, I'm going to finish off the bodywork and put the wheels on.